ChatGPT is about to get a convenience boost for Android users, especially for those who depend on the app for work, school, or daily tasks. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. A new feature being tested will let you pin your favorite chats directly to your phone's home screen, so no more endless scrolling through chat history. Though users can pin conversations within the ChatGPT app or on the web for now, but opening them still requires extra taps. This new upgrade will work like home screen shortcuts for websites, giving instant access to the conversations you use the most. Imagine opening your go-to AI chat with a single tap. Yep, that's the promise of this update. The feature was spotted in ChatGPT's Android version 1.2025.350. Users who test it will see a new add to home screen option in the three-dot menu inside a chat. Once selected, a shortcut appears on the home screen, just like a regular app icon, to get you to that exact conversation instantly. Shortcuts are automatically named after the chat title, and for now, users can't rename them. There doesn't appear to be a limit on how many shortcuts you can place, so power users could pin all their most used chats for fast access. While the feature isn't live for everyone yet, early testing suggests it runs smoothly. This update is part of ChatGPT's effort to be more user-friendly and be easier for those who rely on the same conversations day after day. Your most important AI chats could be as easy to access as your favorite apps. Just tap, type, and go. No scrolling, no hunting, no wasted time. ChatGPT is about to become faster than ever. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.